Okay, welcome back guys. So in this video, we are now going to connect our MongoDB to our application. Previously, we created our application, our boilerplate application from Node.js Express for server. So right now we want to test our application. If you see right now, we don't have any MongoDB connected. So to do that, we have to go to our browser and then to go to MongoDB. I have an account here already. So if you don't have one, please go and create one. It's free. You can type in your just type MongoDB. After that, you will be redirected to your dashboard where you can create a new project. For example, here I want to create a new project. So you just give your project name, new app 2, and then this one is optional. This options optional here, so we can go next, and then just go ahead and create a project. So this is actually just loading our project. So what you have to do now is create a cluster, and well, you can choose now a plan. So let's go with the free one, and so we leave everything as a default. So I'm going to just create a deployment. Okay, so now this is our password. So you need this password. You need the username and password. So if you want to change this username, you can change. Let me just go ahead and change this that new user, and then the password you keep it as the same. So I copy the username. So I want to just paste it here to my workspace. So username, sorry, password first, and then this is my password, and then the username. Username is just a new user. So save that for just for now precaution. So now try the connection. Set up your user security permission below. We just go ahead and select the driver. So which one we want to select? We want to use Node.js. Right, we want to use Node.js. So okay, the connection done. Let's just wait. Let's just create the cluster. But as we are waiting for the cluster to get ready, I want to show you another thing that you need to go to network. You can open this in a new tab, network access, and then go to let's go to network access, and then we want to whitelist our current IP address. So for now, for this demonstration, I'm just going to allow access from anywhere, from any IP address. So let's make sure this entry is temporary and it will be deleted within 6 hours. After 6 hours, so confirm that is okay. So we are waiting. The settings are pending because the cluster is not ready yet. So this might take a while. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, guys. So our cluster was created successfully. So what I want to do is I go back. This is our project. This is actually the current project. You can see I have many projects here. So now we have to connect. Select the driver, and then here down here we can see now we need to get this URL. So what we do is you select your project, you select your project, and just click done. So select the project you want to use. This is the project. If you can still create more if you want. So this is the project you want to use, and then I will just go to down here, overview. Down here is connect. Click on connect, and then select the driver. You want to, in this case, you want to use the first one, which was Node.js, and then scroll down a little bit. This is the URL. So this URL is important. Copy the URL, and then we go back to where I paste my password and username. So this is the one. So what I want to do, I want to use the password. This is actually the password. I want to use the password here, and then the username. This is our username here. Is already here. So the first one is the username, and then the second one is the password. So you can go to MongoDB documentation, and then you will be able to read and understand a little bit. Or you can also use the chat GPT to troubleshooting the issue if you get one. The secondly, I have to copy now the password, the URI. Then I go to our application. This is our server application, which we created the previous video. So in this case, I want to test first of all the connection, but I can go to our .nv file. If you don't have one, you need to create one from the root. And then I'm just going to paste here, use a double quote. I paste the URI here, and then save. Go back to our app.js. Not server. We have server.js, which is this one. This one is you only use to run the server, but app.js, this is where we store all our configuration and our app script. So connect to MongoDB. So I'm using a Codinium AI to help speed up the development. Now, okay, this is now done automatically. So we have mongos.connect process, and then we pass our Mongo URI, which is from our .nv file. So process.nv.mongo URI. So, and then you pass use new URL passer to true, and then also use unified topology to true. So this is the documentation about MongoDB. You can go to MongoDB documentation, and then search for connection. You will be able to read much here. So in this case, as we just want to test the connection to make sure that our connection is successfully. So what we'll do here is .then. If the connection was successfully, we just console.log some message, Mongo connected successfully. Else we catch the error, and then we throw the error. We also console.log the error. So I'm going to save the change, and then open now my terminal to see now, okay, the connection was not successful. They say bad auth. So the problem is the configuration. So you have to go back to our .env file. So to make sure that, okay, everything here is actually correct. So what you can do is you can go back to verify the username, which this was our username. And then also you can go back to our MongoDB. This is a MongoDB, and try to troubleshoot the error from here. So first of all, make sure that you have whitelisted your current IP address, which you have done. And then secondly, you can now go to quick start again, and then try to select that current user. This is the user. You can edit the user to edit the password. So you can generate the password, copy the password, and then update again. So back to our application. So we want to change the password to our new password, and then save. Back to application, try to just save again, and then you see the connection. Now we see our connection was successfully. So All right, guys. So this is it for this video. Next, now we are going to create now some folders. So we'll need to create controllers, uploads, routes, and then start organizing our back-end application, our Node JS and Express application server, and then create some APIs. So see you next video.